Alright, so move the camera on the quad a little bit pitched further back. It's probably more like, I don't know what the angles are. Somebody leave a comment below and you tell me. But angle the camera back, trying to get that. I'm going to do this daggum split S. It kills me. Um, I'm working on that today. And yeah, let's enjoy a good flight. And according to the drone, oh, also, I have a microphone on the drone. How's this going to work? I don't know. I just hope I don't lose a daggum microphone. That would suck. Which would be my luck. Yes, we have already have all my satellites. So I think it's gonna rain. Whee! Woo! Alright, now let's woo! That was messy. That was messy. We need to, I think it's this angle. Yeah, it is this camera angle. I kind of like it. Definitely has me moving faster. Woo! I need more room to run. Woo! My nerves got me shaking. Gyro is a little bit messed up. Woof. All right. That's not cool. All right. We gotta find my DJI Mic Mini.